like mailmen. Rain, snow, nothing stops these birds from eating. As you can see, it's a nice, lovely rainy day in South Georgia. Wearing my rain jacket. Goats don't like to be wet and rained on, and Morgan doesn't either. I thought I was going to get out here and get a fence post set with a gate put up on it before it started raining. But nope, I wound up wrestling Billy back under the fence because she wouldn't walk around and through the pig pen. And the old pig trying to bite me on the tail again because I'm not giving her the goat food. She didn't want the pig food. I've got spoiled animals, spoiled. And I'm trying to give up smoking, but not right this second. Worst habit I ever picked up in my life was smoking. But I'm going to give it up this year if it kills me. But I tell you what, to be so little, goats are so strong. I'm on my hands and knees trying to hold this animal down where it can't get away from me and put her under the fence because she doesn't want to go back through a gate. And she doesn't want to go back under the fence the way she came out. And I know because I saw her come out from under the fence. Stubborn. Like my dad. I should have named her John. Not a good name for a girl though. Maybe Johnny. Yeah, that would have worked. But she's Billy. So I'm going to sit on the front porch and finish the rest of this cigarette. Hope that this rain slacks up in the afternoon before what the weather witch doctor says. They say it's going to rain all day, so hopefully it slacks up with enough time left that I can get out there and finish putting that post down and get ready to put a gate up so I don't have to walk all the way around and all the way back through two separate paddocks. An easy door to get into both of them. Then again, I'm the one that wanted to have a farm. Nobody's fault but my own. And I don't regret it. I enjoy it. Yeah, I do. I had to think on it for a second there because Billy was really pushing it hard this morning. Because she's been out all night. Couldn't get her to go back in last night. So I let her stay out. And sure enough, she's right there by the fence. Just waiting on a door to be put in so she can go through it instead of have to go under it. She knows exactly what's going on. She was right there whenever I put the last one up. Watched everything I did. Nibbled on my pants while I was doing it. She knows. She's smart. Her buddy was standing out there in the rain beside her, and the third goat, smartest one out of all of them, she was in the goat shelter. She was staying dry. She didn't come out for any of the excitement. She's like, deal with Billy on your own. I don't want nothing to do with it. It's dry in here. Y'all get wet, I ain't. But this is my rainy Friday. This is Morgan with Agape Farms. You guys be safe out there. Remember, God bless you and God loves you. Until next time.